Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to play autoplay videos on Google Play. So what you are going to do is tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, like now, just like that. Now you will navigate to the settings in the menu overlay, just like that. And what you're going to do now is tap on network preferences to expand the configuration drop-down menu. You will select auto play videos, just like that. Choose your preferred settings from the pop-up list. So we have auto play videos at any time. So Windows videos will play automatically using either mobile or mobile data or Wi-Fi. Then we have autoplay videos over Wi-Fi only, and then don't autoplay videos. So yeah, these are three options, so choose one of them and then click OK. And this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.